Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add login page to Shopify using Dawn Theme. This process is simple and easy, and let me show you the login page. So here you can see a login page. Now how can you get it? Let's go back to the Shopify and click on the setting icon, which is on the left bottom. Once I will click on it, I will get access to my Shopify store. Here I can do multiple things, but we want to add a Dawn theme. So click on the option checkout. Once I will click on the option checkout. Make sure these both options are selected. So let me show you if these options are not selected. Now I turn off both and click on the save. Now let me go back. And here, if I reload it, you can see after reloading, that has been gone. Now let's get it back. So let's move back to our Shopify store. Once we will be there. Now click on the option Show a link for customers and also select this option to get customers to log into their account before checkout. Once I will click on it below, you can also read, required a login may discourage some customers from checking out and reduce your store. Total orders to manage the current login experience, go to the customer accounts. Now once you will select click on the save. The next move is we will move to the customer account section. And also, we have to turn it on, show login links. Once I will click on it. Let's move back to our store, and now let's reload it. Once I'll reload, here you can see that icon came back. Now if I click on it here, I need to enter my email address, and they will send a code, and that's it. So using this way, you can get a login page on Shopify using Dawn Theme.